Hello, Despiny here from the VR Dance Academy, and today we are going to learn the basic step for cha-cha. Cha-cha is a really fun Latin ballroom dance. You can do it with a partner, or you can even do this footwork by yourself. Just go ahead and choose, if you're with a partner, who's going to be leader, who's going to be follower. Leaders will appear on the left side of the screen, followers will appear on the right side of the screen, so be sure to follow the footwork for each of those. If you're dancing by yourself, you can choose either side to follow. Side, rock, step, cha-cha, side, rock, step, cha-cha, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Side, rock, step, cha-cha, side, rock, step, cha-cha, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Now that we all know the footwork, let's combine the two and do it with a partner. So leaders, if you're ready, offer your hands. And followers, place your hands inside of their hands. And let's dance together. And if you're dancing by yourself, it's okay. Just do it to the music. I hope you enjoyed today's cha-cha lesson. If you want to learn more and do cha-cha live with other people here in VR chat, be sure to check out the VR Dance Academy. You can find out more on our website at vrdance.org, or you can become a student today by visiting our Ko-fi page at ko-fi.com/vrdance. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to cha-cha with you soon.